Micro and nanoplastics are determined by their size. So, microplastics are anything from 1 micrometer to 5 millimeters in length. So, that is the longest length of the plastic fragment. And nanoplastics is anything lower than 1 micrometer. Microplastics can either be primary or secondary plastics. Primary microplastics are those plastics that are manufactured to be very small. And these are used in lots of cosmetic products and beauty products and lots of cleaning products. So anything that's got any sort of abrasion or anything sort of glittery or anything like that tends to contain manufactured small plastics. Secondary microplastics and nanoplastics come from the breakdown of larger plastics. So, with that, if you think a plastic bag that gets sort of shredded up into small pieces, that's a secondary microplastic. Now, we're all aware of microplastics in our oceans, rivers, and our water systems. But what you might not know is there is believed to be between 4 and 23 times more micro and nanoplastics in the soil than are in the water. So if you imagine those oceans of plastic debris that you see in the news, that exists inside our soil systems. The difference is in the soil, it's microorganisms that are taking up these microplastics, and plants are also taking up these nanoplastic particles. So the very, very small particles are able to be absorbed through the root systems of plants and up into their tissues, meaning that plant species now that are grown in fields are all taking up plastics. There's an awful lot of research that's coming out about the use of plastic and plastic waste in general. And I am currently conducting a meta analysis on the global distribution of microplastics in soils. So I am looking at the whole globe and how much plastic actually is there in our soil. So watch your space for more information about how much plastic is actually in our soil.